And check on three, check on three, check on three, check on three, check on three. Good morning, everybody. What's shaking my bacon? Happy Monday. Big rally going on. What's going on? What's going on? Gold made all-time highs again, 38.60. Coming in a bit now. What do we got? 38.37 is the low right here. We're going to put a little order out in gold to get the day started. Good morning, good morning, good morning, you-hoo, YouTube, you-boob. What's going on? All right, gold, let's get a little order out. Start the day. Going down here to this 39. That's the recent low. That'll be down $21. What up from France? 38.39. 38.39. Let's see if I can put it in right. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? All right, let's see what else we got going on. Got a nice rally going on. Green King, hello, and Einstein. Whole market is ripping up. That's a good thing. First thing we're going to do, as we always do, welcome, Green Room. Welcome to anybody who's visiting with us for the week. Welcome, 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 welcome. All right. I know we got a big economic week coming up. Let's see where we're at. I was born to love you. Let's see, 8:30. What do we got? Why is this not working? Okay, give me a sec, guys and girls. Let me fix this. Come on. Clear that. All right, we don't got much coming up today. We got some later on in the afternoon. Let's see if we can get gold down to that 39 level. Be likey. Get down there. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Big pullback in gold. I bought a little dust this morning for a swing trade, only because gold made all-time highs again. Let's see if we can get the smack-a-dacka right down to 39 right now. EA Sports got taken over. EA Sports, it's in the game. I think it's $210 a share, all cash. All cash. Trump greeting PM of Israel at 11 o'clock. All right. Come on, gold, don't go up. Go down. Below that, we got 38.29 in gold. Let's see if we can get the spike and dike down there. All right, let's see what's going on everywhere else. Yeses. Deadsville. Made a high of 35 last night. Let's put out a little order on our 200, 67.15 in the ESs, MESs. That is down on our 200 EMA. We like that. Good morning, my YouTube babies. All right, let's go around the horn. Don't like anything on the short side of ES. We'll wait, see if we get up in that direction. YouTubies, hey, what's up, Padron? Welcome, welcome, Fukra. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Everything looks good to the long side. Bitcoin getting a nice bid. Gold heading down. Yeah, getting a little profit taking in gold. Not to be unexpected. I mean, we made highs up at 60. I still like the 39 if we can get down here real quick. Otherwise, we'll go down to the 200 EMA. Kind of sitting in nowhere's land right now. I wouldn't be shorting it. I wouldn't do anything right now. We're in the middle of nowhere's land. Let's go over some stocks, see if anything's going on stock-wise. Tesla, bouncing a little bit, not much here. Mr. Nothing. Morning, Trent. Palantir, nothing. So not a lot going on stock-wise. Tesla, nothing. Didn't want to see this green bar in gold, so let's wait. Be a little more patient. Let's put out the 38.29.30. Be real conservative for the opening. 38.29. $38.29.30. Let them come in. Open the door, let them in. Yeah, 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 yeah. Someone's knocking on the door. Somebody's ringing the bell. Someone's knocking at the door. Someone's ringing the bell. Do me a favor. Open the door, let them in. How long can I keep my free account open? I'm going to learn. CD, what are you talking about? You want Ninja Trader free account with? You mean you haven't traded on it at all yet, CD? Apex? Well, after 30 days, it's going to reset and they're going to charge you. So you have to start trading within 30 days. Do you put a 15 or 20 cent stop on that 200 EMA trade in gold? We will have a 2-point stop on gold, Martin. So what is that? 8 ticks? Yeah, we don't risk more than 2 points on gold. 20 ticks, there you go. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Yeah, start trading on Apex. I don't know if you've been in our private trading room yet. Welcome to those of you who are visiting here. Anyone who on YouTube. Get into the trading view. Get into a free week, guys. Get into our free week, and we'll get you all straightened out as far as trading is concerned. How do I get access to the X Twitter account? I'm in tier 1. Willie, send me a email. I will give you our private Twitter sphere. Send me an email. I'll get you into the private Twitter sphere. All right, so we got nice and easy. We're going to take it nice and slow. See if we get a big smack of dack and old gold. Otherwise, we wait. Let's put my orders out in my other accounts. We'll be giving away some free accounts, guys and girls, later on today before we get out of here. My YouTubers. There's the big bouncing gold now. Does this page go over technical analysis? Yeah, we'll talk a little bit about it. Yes. As the day goes on, I will show you the technical analysis that we use. But yeah, Jasmine, all our courses teach you 100% technical analysis. Yes, and we'll go over it a little bit as the day goes on here with you guys. Where do we sign up for the free week? Okay. Actually, you guys can still get in for this week. Send me an email. I'll send you a link to the room later on today, and you can hang out this week. We're about 90% future, so if you come and hang out in this week, you'll be ready to open up an account by the end of the week. And anybody who sees anything, please post it up there as the week goes on. Let's see, 10 o'clock, we got pending home sales. 10:30, we got Dallas Manufacturing Index, and then we got a bunch of Fed speak. So we'll just be aware at 10 o'clock and 10:30. Not that those are any big numbers, but we'll be aware. So let's show you guys this, something we have to look at every day. Tomorrow, a very big number in JOLTS at 10 o'clock. That could definitely affect the markets, and we got consumer confidence. So we'll have no orders in around that time. Wednesday, ISM. I think Friday, we got the unemployment report. That's the big giant one. So Friday is the biggie. Not that it's big, but we can do a little churn and burning on Friday. You boys with Einstein? Einstein is with us boys, yes. All right. ESs, we got our order down on a 200 EMA. I don't like anything on the short side right now. Let's see if we got anything moving and shaking stock-wise. I don't see much going on. Let's see. Mirrors take over. Pot stocks are ripping. What's the index? MSOS. And these things are just not worth trading unless you own like 1 million of all of them. You know?
Hey, Dave.
So cheap. Tilray's up 20%. It's trading at $1. Yes, did somebody say something?
I did. I was just letting you know that Trump has a meeting at around 11:30 with the leader of Israel.
Yes.
Okay.
We're way ahead of you. You're way behind on your news service this morning. I might have to fire you.
I didn't want to get out of bed today.
So very quiet morning. I was watching the ESs last night, and I noticed that we had this big pivot point up here, 67.34, 67.35. So I happen to, and nobody cares, but I happened to go to sleep and I left a little order up there. I came in this morning to a nice little trade. I think it was, let's see, $1,900. I left a few ESs up there in an account that a PA account that I had just started. So if I blew it, I would have blown it. But that was a great spot. Very good spot. Anyone have anything on the short side here? Morning, Brian. How are you? How do we use the EMAs? We use the EMAs to show us support and resistance where we might possibly want to make trades. So when something is going up, Randy, we're looking for a resistance level to go short. And when something is going down, we're looking for a support level using our moving averages to get long. So if you look here, you know, like this morning at 3 o'clock in the morning, we went all the way from 67.24 to 67.16, down $8, and we exactly hit our 65 EMA. That is support. Now, do we want to do a double top, guys and girls, for a quick trade? I don't know. That would be up 10 points. We have nothing on the upside above this. So again, we're going to look to see if they set up for some kind of trend trade this morning. We'll see what happens. Trend trades are the ones we are going to make the most money on. We want to get on the same side of the trend and just stay in it all day, if we can. The only thing we'll be looking for this morning, if we keep going up from here, is the far from moving average trade, if we can get it. Anyone like the double top? Well, we want to be more patient, guys. I think we'd be more patient. We're not stretched out or anything, so let's take a chill pill. Everything we do is based on our technical analysis. We will not make a trade unless our technicals tell us to make a trade. What we will do in the ESs now, we will come up to our VWAP, 67.22, because that would be down at least 10 points from here. So when we're looking at the ESs, we want at least a 10-point move to hit either our support or resistance to make a trade. So that would be down 10 points. That should be a nice support level. Tesla. Yowza. Good eyes, Sean. So Tesla probably just gave us a far from moving average trade. Let's talk about that for a minute. Well, we're looking for a far from moving average trade, guys and girls, and we have a few different trade setups that we look for. When we're looking for a far from moving average trade, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's when a stock or a future gets far away from its closest moving average. And what we're looking for is the RSI to get to 80 or higher. When we see an RSI, and that's relative strength, guys and girls, okay? Relative strength measures if something is overbought, gone up too far too fast, or oversold, gone down too far too fast. So if we get a reading over 80, that is telling us that something is overbought and we can expect a pullback. If we get a reading below 20, that means something is oversold and we can expect a rally from there. So once we get over an 80 RSI, we will switch to our 1 minute chart. And again, I don't usually do this pre-market because there's no volume, right? So here was our first red bar. It was about 446.65, 446.70, and you can see it went down like 50 cents from there. If you got in on that first red bar, it would have given you a nice 50-cent trade. So we're looking for that first red bar to get in with a market order. I don't like doing them pre-market because there is just not enough volume. However, we have a resistance level coming up in Tesla now. Okay, so let's put up Tesla. And everybody can see we have our pivot point around 448. So here's what we'll do. I will put a marker out in Tesla. 448.
What's up, crew? What's up, Dave?
What's up, Pete? I'll explain what a marker is, okay? When I put a marker out, I put one share up, and I just want to know if it gets to that price. This way, if it goes $5 above that, I only have one share, okay? So I'm not going to lose any money. However, if it gets to that 448, then we'll go to the 1 minute chart and start looking for the far from moving average trade. Do our full amount of shares and try to get between 50 cents and $1. Right now, the ATR is 57 cents. So if you get into a trade in a stock, guys, look at the ATR. That is the average true range. That adds up the last 14 5-minute candlesticks and gives you the average of each of those candlesticks. So whenever you're making a trade in anything, stock, future, this could be my expected profit target and my expected loss. So very important, especially when we're trading stocks, to look at that ATR. Mega importante, because I can't get into a stock with a 57-cent ATR and expect to make $3 on a trade. All right? We are scalpers for the most part. We look to get in, we look to get out, take our couple of points, and move on to the next trade.
Scalping is not a bad word. We're here to make a little bit of money every day, every week, every month.
Yeah, exactly, leaky.
And we've got a market that continues to go higher. No particular economic news, just a lot of enthusiasm coming into the end of the quarter here, guys, right? We've got a couple of days left of September. Forget seasonality. You've just got underinvestment, people playing catch up. You've got earnings, solid guidance, solid. All things are good. We got tariffs on there are a couple of tariffs on the horizon that Mr. Trump threw out again today, like aluminum and steel and stuff like that are sort of new, or they're just reiterating those tariffs. But for some reason, we're up 0.5% right now, which is just amazing. We're going to, all things equal, we don't know what the day's going to bring, but although all things equal means we're going to be trading once again in record territory across all indices, which is fine. We don't look, when you have a market coming into the end of a quarter and it's been up the whole time, you're not going to see what we in old Wall Street called window dressing, where the hedge fund guys have to buy the market up to have their P&L, profit and loss, look really good. The market did that all on its own. So you may see a little pullback at the end of those last day. What do we have? 2-3 days left till the end of the quarter. That's a big deal. The third quarter, it's been a powerful one. We're in the midst of a interest rate cutting cycle. Historically, that is a positive thing for the market. Over the last 75 years, every time we commence a interest rate cutting cycle and it stays for 12 months, the market has year over year been up 16% by the end of it. So these are some numbers that just sort of show some positivity of what we have to look forward to. We know we're just one tweet away from crazy town, so anything can happen. That's why we use stop orders. That's why we protect ourselves on the downside, like David says. Good morning, Scott.
Just to reiterate on what Pete said, every single dip in this market has been bought. Every single one for months and months now. So good for our 401ks. Try to catch some trend trades. Scotty, did you get a delivery? Gosh darn it. How did you get the ATR? Good question. You got to be kidding me. Oy, oy, oy. All right, the ATR, all the things that you see up top here, guys and girls, all of our moving averages, these are codes that we've built that automatically put all this stuff up here. So one glance, and we know all of our moving averages. Scotty still didn't get a delivery.
It's due tomorrow.
Oh.
FedEx is due tomorrow.
Got it.
Tuesday delivery.
Got it. You hear that, Scotty?
Do you need the tracking number?
No. We're all good. We're all good. So all these things, guys and girls, we show you how to put all this stuff in in your charts with one button in our courses. Our futures course is out for beta testing. This is the last step before we're going to release it. You guys will be the first to know. It's a 7-hour course just on futures. Unfreaking believable. So it's almost there. It's out for beta testing. We sent it to a few students to get their feedback, see if there's anything we have to change, and then it's going to be available to everybody. It is going to include lifetime mentorship. It is going to have 7 hours of just futures. We're making it $299 for a very special introductory offer with lifetime mentorship. It's the best thing we've ever done in Wall Street so far. And we do a lot of good stuff, but it is unbelievable. All right, let's go over some stuff. What's Tesla doing? I'm going to say within the next couple of weeks, geez. We have a waiting list with, I won't even tell you how many people on it. Yeah. If you want to get on the waiting list, guys. All right, Pete, all good. Just send an email to Roman. You're on a waiting list, and we'll let you know exactly they come. Do not do the edX course. That is 5 years old, CD. Do not do the edX course. It doesn't have anything about futures in it. Yeah. Do not. If all you want is futures, wait until that course comes out. If you want futures, stocks, options.
Trump just made some kind of comment.
Who cares? If you want futures, stocks, options, lifetime mentorship, boot camps, that's our regular courses at WSGTA.com. You can check them out at any time. Guys on YouTube, ask questions as we're going along. All right. Let's go over what we got. Let's come up a little to 2250 so we don't miss this on a pullback right away. If we get there, 62, 2250. Guys, I will be on ES because we're kind of calm right now. So I'm starting the morning on ES. What are we doing in gold? Let's take a look. Good in gold. We got our order all the way down at 30. Let's come up a little bit, make that 30 instead of 29. We spike down 10 points. Okay, so I'll explain to you guys. We're putting an order on our 200 EMA in gold. Is futures more lucrative than options? Give me 1 sec, Jules. I'll get to that, Julius. We're putting an order down on our 200 EMA in gold. That is the strongest of our moving averages. The odds are, if we get down and hit that, we are going to get a bounce. Well, the thing with futures is, and why we want everyone trading futures, is because you can open up an account with as little as $33, sometimes $17. Okay. And you can start making money from that account. It's all simulated. But all you're risking is that $33 when you open up a futures account with Apex. That's it. 33 bucks is your risk. And if you blow up that account, you do another one for another 33 bucks. That's all. And there's some steps that you have to pass to qualify it. We walk you through all that. We show you how to open the account. We talk to you about all the rules. Walk you through the entire process. Not that difficult. But you got to follow the rules, and there are a bunch of them. Trump posted imposing 100. No, here we go. All movies made outside the United States. Here we go. Let the games begin. Boom, chaka laka laka. What's Tesla doing? Guys, anybody have anything else? Stocks? Anything. Tesla's not doing anything, kind of just hanging here. Let's go over some usual suspects that we like to trade. NVIDIA is not doing anything. Palantir is dead flat. Coin not doing anything. 23059. So everything's kind of hanging. How should I start? I have no experience. Get into the trading room, Joshua, as soon as you can. Pay attention to everything we're doing in there. Ask questions. Okay. We'll walk you through how to do opening up a futures account, all that stuff. So it doesn't have to cost you a lot of money. Then, guys and girls, send me an email. I'll get you in to the private trading room as soon as we finish up this morning. How many days of trading do I have when I get funded with Apex? You have to trade for 8 days, MacBook, and you have to make $50 on 5 of those 8 days. Then you can start taking money out. So you have to trade for 8 days and make money on 5 of those, 50 bucks on 5 of those 8 days. And you can start receiving money. Boom, chakalika, laka, luka, laka, lika. These are not options, Ozzy. When you see my orders up here, we are trading futures and stocks. They are not options. Futures and stocks. TSM, absolutely no volume, Mick. There's nothing here. Yeah, it's just no volume whatsoever. Deadsville, man. Everything's very quiet this morning. We got the unemployment numbers coming out on Friday. So, I mean, we're looking good. We're staying in these trends right now in the ESs. I don't think I like a double top. It's only moving, less than 5 points from here, Felix. Well, good, Ozzy. Yeah, when you guys come into the private trading room, ask questions. We will answer any questions that you have, walk you through the process. Anyone have a fib to the upside? I mean, I like if we get up into the 40s. Something like that. But there's nothing right here. We'd rather get this big pullback to get long. That is for shit sure. No offense to anyone. That wouldn't give me pause all the way up high. Let's take a look, Scotty. 42.50 is a go in the MESs. That's up 10 points. We'll do the MESs. 67.42. Down with that. Scotty's got a couple of fibs up there. I'm down with that. Works for me. I'd certainly be stretched. What course of action should I take as far as courses to start transitioning from 9 to 5 to trading and getting my time back? Ah, Darian, that's a great comment. First of all, okay, if you're retiring, that's one thing. And I don't know your financial situation, but I never recommend to anybody that they quit the full-time job to try to do this for a living. Hard enough to do. We're just trying to make a couple of bucks every day. Do I have people in here that are doing this for a living? Absolutely. But it's difficult and it takes time, right? So I would get, if it was me, our full course that gives us, gives you stocks, futures, options, walks you through everything. That's where I would start if you didn't know anything about it. Is there a separate room for those who signed up for training boot camp, or is the daily? No, there is a separate trading room that I am with all day long. It's a separate charge where we trade, every day, all day, the entire month, and we include a boot camp in it. Again, give my email if you're interested in that. After we open up and slow down a little bit, I will start sending you guys links to get into the private trading room. Okay, ESs, we're good at 23. If we spike down to our VWAP, it's still down 10 points from here. And we just take it nice and slow on the opening. Gold is coming in pretty good here, guys. Getting a little smack of that. All right, we're down 10 points from here. We're good. Let's come up to 38, 30, 50. If we go down 10 points, I don't want to miss it by an odd lot. Boom, shaka, laka, laka. Trump posting, wonderful. Morning, FA. All right, guys and girls, I'm going to start sending you the link to the room, okay? You want to bop on over there? Everyone who just asks, I'm going to send you the link to the room. You can bop over there while you're watching this. Everybody who just asked for a link to the room, you should see it. It's coming to you right now. How many people in the private trading room are visiting us this week? Give me some ones. Felix the cat. SS. Good. Ask questions. Don't be afraid. A bunch of us. Okay, good. All right, I just sent out requests to everybody who asked. Oh, can I have the link? I'm from Benzinger. You have the link, guys and girls. You're in the room retreat. This is it. Yeah, I just sent the link. If anyone wants it again, send me an email. Okay, and I'll give it to you right now. Give me a minute. This is the private trading room, guys. We're here for a week trial. There it is again, guys and girls. Okay. If I miss you right now because we get busy on the opening, take a chill pill. We'll get to you. I'll tell you this, guys. Those of you who come into the private trading room this week, okay? On Tuesday and Thursday nights, Scotty, are we a go for this week? If you have never traded futures, okay? On Tuesday night, tomorrow night, you'll be able to go into our slow markets trading. And we will walk you through how to get a futures account open. How about that? 6 o'clock tomorrow night, if you're in the private trading room. We'll walk you through every step of how to open up one, all the rules for them, and we'll get you rolling. Guys are rolling in with the requests now. Boom chakalaka. Can't keep up. I can't keep up. Did a few people getting the link already? Yes. Let me know if anyone in YouTube's getting the link. I'm sending them out as fast as I can get them. Okay, everyone should have it now. Boom. Yes, Damien, let's do it. Okay. Simon. Boom. Okay. What made me start doing live trades? To help as many people as we could, Jaheem. Should I start with options and slowly transition to futures after taking the full course? I would start with futures and then slowly transition to anybody else, to everything else. EA Sports is a takeover. Do not trade it. It's not going to do anything. It was taken over. You're going to see it flatline all day. It is not going to be a trade. So a lot of people who don't know, they look at EA Sports. Oh, it's up this much. I'm going to short it. No, it got taken over. So it's kind of just going to stay right around where it is all day. Probably. All right, gold is rallying. Nothing to do. Gold, we like 38.51 short. All right, let's do it small. I'm game. Gold, 38.51. Are you planning to do the course anytime soon? Yes. We are in the final stages of the futures course, guys and girls. It'll be ready within a couple of weeks. We have all your emails. If you want to get on the waiting list, send me an email. Send an email to Wall Street. Anyone who's on a mailing list will get the notification first. Send us an email. WSGTA.com@gmail.com. Which time begins U.S. pre-session? 8 o'clock. The U.S. pre-sessions can start at 4 o'clock in the morning, Kevin, basically. Yeah. All right, getting a little pullback. I like where we are, 23. If we spike down 7 points, is good. Yep, 4 a.m. And I look at UPS. I can. Dead, flatline, daily chart. I got nothing. It needs to get above these moving averages to start reversing a little bit. All right, we're going to have nobody left in YouTube and everybody in the trading room. Love it. Love it. Okay, I'm going to get to Danny, Julius, and Sia. On the way, link. everybody is up to date at the moment. All right. Anybody know what time it is? Yes, if you get the full course, the new futures course will be added. Yeah, anyone who does the full course, you're going to get that futures course in it. Yes, going to replace what we have right now. So that's where you can go to buy any of our courses. Send an email to me. I'll get you in the trading room. All right, let's grab a little coffee. First, let's just go over our orders again. See if we're good with everything. Gold, we're good at 51. Fibonacci, ES's. Hanging out with nothing to do. Iced caramel macchiato time. Love it. Can I look at Qubit? Isn't that a AI play? Qubit, I think. Yes. Yeah, it has its moments. I mean, chart looks fine. Not very volatile, but it's had a nice rally up. Oh, let me get the Orban. Studies, edit studies. It's the Orba. What do we want, the 5-minute? I like leaving the 15-minute on. What's the session end, guys? 4 p.m.? What is that? What's the session end? Time. Someone help me. 1600. I'm going to go 15-minute. 5 minutes is not enough info for me. I'll do the 15-minute orb. All right, grabbing a cup of coffee. Orders are all good. Where's Tesla? Do I even care about Tesla anymore? Nah, Tesla's going to rip right through 448. Don't care. I'd rather be a buyer in Tesla on a pullback than a short seller. 450, Mike? That will do. At least a marker up there. What up, Point? Is it paid or free course? This week is free for everybody in the trading room, guys and girls. I'm not charging anybody anything to come hang out with us for an entire week. We do charge for our courses. We make them as affordable as we possibly can. They have payment plans for everything. You can buy the biggest course we have for like $50 a month. Comes with lifetime mentorship. That is stocks, futures, options, boot camps, everything. All right, grabbing a cup of coffee. Stop drawing on my screen. You son of a beeswax. How do I get rid of that? Anoint. Where's my anoint? I don't know how to get rid of it right now. You're a bit confused because of my email yesterday. All right, Martin, we'll talk in a little bit. Where's the annotation? In my drawings? Wah. Bottom left corner of the shared screen. This one? Yes. Got it. Boom. All right, we're good. Gotcha, Martin. All right, I'm getting my coffee. Back in 2 minutes. Where to sign up for the paid course? That would be at WSGTA.com. Very simple. Gold. Going down, coming up. All right, we're still good in gold at 51 if we get there right now, guys and girls. FA, we're still good if we do it on this pop-up. Okay. So we'll have a 2-point stop in gold, but we want it right now. When we're looking to get into a trade, guys and girls, we want it to get to our level as quickly as possible. That's going to be the most effective. If we kind of just sit around here, we come close to hitting us and go down, it's not going to be as effective a trade. And you see how it kind of just I'm good until FA says cancel. Ah, you son of a bitch. Ah, that was the trade, guys and girls. All right, I'm going to cancel for now. Joe Mama. So, guys, if we just would have got 51 on that, we would have taken a quick point in 2. Now that it's meandering up here, we could go higher. So we're going to take a chill pill for now. You son of a beeswax. That was the trade, guys and girls. Great call. What we get to 50-70. And all we wanted to do is take a couple of points on it. Ah, you stink. Why? Why? Don't do me like that. Which time frame do you play? All right, we're always starting on a 5-minute time frame. Wahim, for everything that we're looking at. And if we have support and resistance on a 5-minute time frame, we do not have to go any further. All right, now I'm getting my coffee. Be right back.
Not a drop of rain since last week Monday. We continue to push
Apex $50,000 account is a one-time payment, and you have a month to qualify. Yeah, we'll go over that later on, and also walk you through the whole process of everything. Double top in gold. Yes, I like a double top in gold. 60. Put that out. 38.60. All right, let's go over our orders again. I'll look at oil. Let's see. Do we like 23, guys? It's only a 6-point move. That doesn't fit our criteria. Sorry. Let's leave out our 200 EMA, 67.17. Be more patient. Let them open. Oil, let's take a look. What do we got? Mike's got 63.45 in oil. Fib, let's do it. That would give us a fast moving average trade down there too. We look at today's closes from previous day close, previous week close, previous day high, previous week low. Gold 44 on the opening. Yeah, he's saying be careful on the opening. I'll put one out. 38.44. 50. So if everybody looks at gold, look at a pivot point. Down at 40. Went up 10 points off that pivot point. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Let's get ready to rumble or lack thereof. RTY. Yes, we're going to play the opening range breakout and everything. Get one. What indicators and we do and why? Get into the private trading room. We'll go over that. RTY is kind of just sitting. ES is coming in. We're down at 17 for the opening. It's good. It's good. Morning, Vish. No reply at all. No reply at all. No reply at all. No reply at all. Yeah, so anybody's brand new here, just relax. You're in a hurry to do anything. Take a chill pill. Let them open. Let them open. I do like 16, guys. That'll be down 10 points from here. So nice and easy. Nice and easy on the opening. No reply at all. No reply at all. Ooh, I left something out somewhere. Oh, I think I left something out at 22. Yes, son of a beeswax. Well, if you lose anything, let us know. Patience, guys. Let them open. Bum, bum, bum. Ba-da-da-da-da. 17 on this bop down, guys. We don't want no stinking bounces. We don't need another hero. Ding, 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 ding. Cancel this down at 30. No reply at all. No reply at all. What do we like shorting the ESs? No, we didn't always have 5 EMAs. We've added, changed things all the time. RTY. I tell you, wow. What do we like in RTY? We like 53, 49. What do we got? Getting far from moving average. $52 we like in RTY. All right, let's do it small. Tesla just hit 450. Not doing anything with Tesla. Tesla's a short killer. All right, shorts on the ESs now. What do we got? 28.50. All right, let's do it small. Not in a hurry. I'm going to do the MESs because it's early. $28.50 if we pop up. We're stuck in the middle with you guys. If you shorted Tesla at 450, just take 50 cents. Went straight down to 449. Good call on a Tesla short. Got a couple of bucks. Banana, banana, banana. Got $1 in Tesla anyway. No, at all. Yeah, we'll look for the 15-minute orb. One way or the other. They're sitting in nowhere's land now. Gold stretching out again. Well, we got the double top in gold. I like that. Patience, guys and girls, patience. All right, Randy, let us know if any trades set up. Yeah, I didn't do the 5-minute, but if you have the 5-minute up, look for the breakouts now. Or breakdowns. ES is just stuck in the middle with you. Still like 17 if we spike down there. It just went up to 24. We'll give 17 another minute anyway. This popped down in the ESs. Quick trade if we get to 17. But got to be this pop down, otherwise we're going low. Bottom line, guys and girls, there isn't a hell of a whole lot going on. Kind of sitting in nowhere's land in everything. Yeah. What's oil doing? Yeah, we're good. All right, we want to ES on this pop down, guys and girls. Otherwise, we're going to go a little lower. YM, far from moving average trade. Oh, yowza, getting there. Do we have any levels? It's been this far stretched out for a while, so I would wait. I mean, I would love the 46,486. Cancel this in the MESs. Leave the 28 short for a couple of minutes. Bum, 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 bum. 46,464. I like 46,486 pivot point, Scotty. Closer. Yeah. Let's get that out. 46,486. That's going to be a far from moving average trade extraordinaire. It's not going to get there. Oh, who knows? Gold's dead. ES is dead. Everything's dead. Oh, when everything's dead, guys and girls, we do not force anything on. Got out of RTY too early. That's okay. RTY is still going down. I don't like the RSI staying below 80 now. Getting a smack of that guy. Do we ever trade earnings? Yes, we trade earnings. Bum, 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 bum. 6707. Yes. Do we ever hit 17? Yep. 17 worked for a point. Let's just relax, guys and girls. This market looks like shit, and I ain't in a hurry. Everything's sitting in the middle of nowhere's land. Gold, we're cutting close to a double top. Well, we like it if we get there. Nvidia, off moving average. Just abnormal. All right. Does anyone have any orders out anyway? MYM. Let's just go over our stuff. Ooh, we're getting there. 46,486. We like that. That'll be a nice far from moving average trade. $46,486. What order? Well, we have an order out, and guys. Got a few points on ES off 17. All right. Now we're gonna have a far from moving average trade in this MYM if we get down there. Let's see if we do it on this popper. Keep it small. Ah, you gotta be kidding me. There's the big bounce. Just missed the YM. Dang it. We're all over the place with nothing to do. Stink on ice. All right, anyone have any orders out? We still like the double top in gold. I'm leaving that. Yes. YM. Leaving that out. What are we doing in gold on the buy side? Look good. Oil. All right. Regroup time, guys. What do we like in the ESs? Oh, we still like 28 short. Look at that 17, guys. 5 points, you piece of dog shit. You stink on ice. Yeah, let's be a little more conservative and leave the 28.50 in. That's a bunch of moving averages. If we get up there, keep it small. Who got shorts in for gold? Do Pete and other New York Stock Exchange get bored like us, or is always go, go, go? No, they get bored too. Trust me. NQ to 5-minute orb worked beautifully. Wow. 15-minute orb worked beautifully too. Look at that. Boom chakalaka laka. Bum, 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 bum. Boom, 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 boom. All right, anyone got any orders out other than what we have out there? Please let me know. Ba, 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 ba. All right, Vern, just anybody who's here trading with us, please, if you're doing any trades, please post them before you get into them. We still like the YM down on that pivot point if we get down there for a trade. It's going to be a nice far from moving average trade down there too. Maybe. Could be a place to start a little bit anyway. NVIDIA. 185.29. I like it for a short, Mike. If we get up there, let's put it out. 85.29. Hood 90 RSI. Gold on the buy side. Okay, give me a minute. ESs, are we coming close to the 28? Is that why we're looking at 35? Yeah, cancel 28 for now. Let's wait. Cancel this gold. Oil, that ain't happening. Hey, get to you guys in a minute. Gold buy side, 38.50.60. Let's do it. See, 38.50. Rookie Hood, Palantir. ES shorts. ES is dead right now. Hood. Okay. I'm going to bet that Hood gave you a nice far from moving average trade at 127.40 on the 1 minute. There it was. Could have got in about 127.10. And it gave you a nice quick 50-cent trade. And the ATR is 45 cents. So Hood, I would be looking to buy on a pullback. Trend trade. YM. Did we just miss our 86 in YM? I think we just freaking missed that, guys. Got to 92, you piece of dog shit. Oh, you son of a beeswax. Gold, take some profits. Sold half gold for a little bit. Take more profits in gold for a point. Out of gold. Take some profits in MYM. Boom, 20 points in MYM, 2 points in gold. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Nice, guys. Everybody in and out. In and out, and in and out. And in and out, and in and out. And you're playing all night. And the music's all right. Mom has got a squeeze box. Daddy never sleeps at night. Come on, squeeze me. All right. Now we wait, guys and girls. Patience, patience, patience. Couple good trades set up. Let's relax. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. I'll tell you, the YM looks like crap. So let's just, everybody take a deep breath. My run has stopped at break even. All right, it's okay. Chill it out. Yes. YM, gold, ES, NQ, orb, everything worked this morning. Beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. All right, where are we in gold now? We still like 44 and 60. Hey, this MYM looks like crap. So does the RTY. NQ pullback. Give me full stuff, guys. Give me full numbers, please. You always use limit orders on futures. 90% of the time, we are using futures, limit orders on futures, yes. 90% of the time. Gold 47. Okay, let's come up. 38.47. By the way, guys, in the private trading room, when Philippe FA posts an order in gold, do it every single time, please. I'm not going to jinx anything, but it works. NQ tiny pullback. Yeah, NQ we probably want to buy at the top of the orb. Certainly the trend, right? 24,907. We just got to 50. Let's do it. MNQ. 24,907. Uh, 46.48 in the YM. What do we got down there? What is that, Adian? I like it, but what kind of level is it? Stick around, YouTube. We're going to give away some accounts. Tell me well, let's look. Let's go right to a daily. Daily is 46,423. Ooh, that's the 90 MA. 46,423. That's not bad. I'm just going to leave that out in case we completely forget about it. 46,423. That's the daily 90 MA. Just in case. Don't be posting when you're driving. Yes, break out of the orb. Let's look. Yeah, I mean, it's going very, very slow. I'd like it to sit here for a little bit and then bust out. But yes, something to look at. Absolutely. It's fun to play at the YMCA. All right, cancel this video. Leave the double top in gold for now. 46,443 is the 1 hour 200. Ooh. Ooh. Are you kidding me? All right, let's come up to 43. I like it, Mikey. 43. That'll be a nice far from moving average trade too. So I'm going to leave one and then jump in with some size if we get down here. Gold back to being red. Let's take a look. Gold, we're good at 47.10 with Philippe. Let's have that go fast up. We're going to get it, right? Give it to me fast. Give it to me, baby, baby. Tesla getting a smack-a-dacker. Oh, we just hit the 200 EMA in Tesla at 442. See if that gives you anything. We want gold on this pop down, guys and girls, if we're going to get it. Down to that 47.10. Boom, chakalaka. We like the pivot point in Tesla, 440.60. Mike, I like it. Yeah, give it a shot. It goes fast, down $2. $2 spread though, but we'll see. If it goes fast, we'll do it. Okay. YouTube, couple questions from my YouTubers. First of all, if you guys have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Second of all, are some of you at least starting to pick up a little bit of what we're doing here and where we're doing our trades and why we're doing our trades? Everything we do is just simply based on technical analysis. When a line on our chart tells us to make a trade somewhere, we make a trade. That's it. Try to take the emotion out. Either we're going to make money or we're going to lose money. Once we get into a trade, we like to take a quick profit and then raise our stop orders up so we can't lose money on the trade. Boom, chakalaka. Oracle far from moving average. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, getting set up. Almost the 20 RSI. Just gave it to you. So check it out, Mike. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but check it out. Okay. We got the green bar at 280.50. Just gave you your first 50-cent trade, right? 280.90. Raise your stop up to break even. And let's see if we can get a buck out of the second part of it. That's it. Okay. So you got in about 280.50, got to 280.90, took 50 cents, break even stop. See if you can get a buck on the next part of it. Worst case, you made 50 cents, you're out break even on the second part of it. And it was a pivot point. I'm not digging this market. Tesla bounced. Am I large or small now? ES is now. With all due respect, just because you make it look, but seriously, seriously, people make this more difficult than it has to be. That's the bottom line. This is not easy in any way, shape, or form. It's hard. And I don't want to make it seem easy, but it's not as difficult as a lot of people make it to be. It's just learning your technicals. And more importantly than that, learning all the rules. That's the most important part. But it is not easy. No. Oracle was not posted. Someone posted the far from moving average trade, but it already had happened. So check this out. Mike posted it, but we missed it. This is gorgeous now, guys and girls. So let's go over this. Okay, Oracle got down below a 20 RSI and hit a pivot point at 280.30. Pivot point, 280.30, and the far from moving average trade. There's where we bought it. We said 280.50, and it just went up $2. How beautiful is that? Is that gorgeous? That is a perfect technical setup for a trade that we do. Boom. And the pivot point. So we had a few things down there. And now it has gone up $2. $2. So you take that first profit, take a buck out of the second profit, and there is your beautiful, beautiful trade. ES Orb. Let's take a look. Yeah, again, I would be careful right now. We're kind of just bopping around. All right. Check out the YM. Yeah, cancel that for now. MNQ. What news we got coming out?
I'm not seeing any news yet.
Yep. Yeah, here's what we're going to do, guys. Let's just relax. Canceling all orders. We'll regroup in a minute. All right?
We just had pending home sales.
Oh, gotcha.
Let's take a chill pill. Guys, when we have everybody, okay, when we have a morning where we've hit a few good ones already, take a breath. Don't be in a hurry. Just relax, okay? Let this news settle in for 3 minutes, and then we'll put some other orders out, and everybody just take a chill pill, okay? Pete, you here?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, go for a couple minutes. I'll be right back.
You got it. Okay, gotcha. Hey, everybody, it's me, Peter. So fascinating how the market is just doesn't seem to give up the goat here at all. We are coming into the end of the quarter. Obviously, it's been a spectacular earnings season, and we've been able to give guidance. That's kind of the lifeblood of the market in general. You know, as I've often said also, that there's a lot of money still on the sideline. The question is, what will it take to dislocate this? And I'm not trying to predict any kind of a pullback, but when markets trade at record highs for such an extended period of time, everyone, obviously there's some kinds of fear that, you know, that the market should come in, or it's a bubble, or any of those things. People are not just ready to let well enough be, you know, that, you know what, at the end of the day, we are in such a better place from where we were February, March, and April, right? We are now 6 months out from Independence Day. Back in that time, we know that the market, you know, we had obviously had a new administration and all that stuff, but there was a bit of a self-inflicted economic Armageddon by the fact that the new administration was the way they were disseminating the information about tariffs. All right, tariffs is a real reality. But if the new sheriff in town had just sort of come to the marketplace, come to the investment community and said, guys, I'm the new sheriff in town. My policy standards involve tariffs, and this is the way it's going to be. I'm not sure what the numbers are going to be, but we believe that we want to get a revenue stream from tariffs. The U.S. has sort of been underrepresented in that world. I think the market would have handled it a lot better than the way he handled it, which is 185% tariff, 145. All of this sort of throwing out. It was a bit of a passive aggressive approach, and the market responded accordingly. We were down 20.8%. from February 19th all the way to April 19th. The market, you know, look, in retrospect, it was an amazing buying opportunity. But while we were in it, it did not look good. I know that everyone, probably any of you who have a retirement fund or a 401k, probably February, March, April, we're looking at it going, you know, holy shit, excuse my language, where are we going from here? You know, I can't really, you know, down 20% is significant. However, the only silver lining when a market goes down that fast, that quick, is that it can reverse just as quickly. And we were able to reverse in half the time it took us to go down. So all that being said is it doesn't matter now. We are now trading at record highs. We have a lot of good reasons to. We've made deals with the EU, the European Union, the UK, India, Philippines, Japan. You know, the only people we really haven't made a full solid deal with is China. But think about it. We've opened massive doors between NVIDIA and China, selling of chips, all that kind of thing. We've gotten an amazing commitment from Microsoft, Oracle, Google, Meta, in the hundreds of billions towards the AI space, building data centers and all that. There is a school of people who actually believe, excuse me, I got something in my eye, that NVIDIA, I know you probably have all probably traded it at one point or another with David, is actually undervalued. That the stock has gone from 108, where David called it, where Dan Ives called it, people who are bright in the AI space. That was February 2023. It was trading at $108. 2024, it was trading at $900. It went up to $1,200, split 10 for 1, and had a $50 billion buyback. AI is growing to such a level where, in order to support the chip making and the data centers, we are going to, there's $12 trillion in CapEx expenditure by the large tech corporations. Now that interest rates are cheaper, these guys are going to be able to borrow money once again. At 5.5%, it was a little frothy. But as interest rates go down, and we are now in the midst of a interest rate cutting cycle, and historically, when you have that kind of cutting cycle, the next 12 months, you've got a 16% year-over-year increase in the market. So I'm painting a picture of a market that seems like it may continue to go higher, even though it kind of doesn't make sense. Like, you know, when is it going to pull back? I would not bet against the market, right? I mean, you know, we know that, you know, we try and teach you all at Wall Street Global, you know, that don't think, right? You can't say to yourself, oh, I don't think the market's going to go any higher. That's problematic. The market can do what it's going to do no matter what. There's a rational enthusiasm around this market. So, you know, but at the end of the day, we're scalpers, we're traders. We're here to look for volatility. We're here to look for far from moving average trade, trend trade, momentum trades. All of that stuff is what we want to look like. And you need to let the charts determine your entry point. You cannot cherry pick when and where you're going to get into a stock, or just pick the ones that you think look good. Every time all the components set up for a trade, get in, get out, make money, lose money. That's the bottom line. Don't move your stop orders. You know, David has, you know, there are the 5 rules. Go ahead, sir. The 5 rules of successful day trading that are part of David's strategy are: have a plan. Come on, let's go. There you go. My pleasure, sir. Have a plan when you get into your day, how much you want to make. When you hit that goal, turn the machine off. That's the best it's going to get. The alternative is over trading. Secondly, have a stop order on every trade, whether you're trading ES, MES, NQ, whatever you're trading, futures and or stocks and or indices. Have a stop order on everything, and do not move your stop unless. Yes, sir.
Listen, I just found out that our live event in Boca has just gone out to everybody live. So let's talk about that for a couple minutes for everybody.
Okay, so October 21st. It is
Check this out, guys and girls. This is going to be insane.
October 21st is a Tuesday. David Green and me and BK Partners, that's Kathy and Boris, who have been traders in the Forex space, in the tech space. They've been on Apex. They've got a huge social media platform. David and I are going to be live in Boca Raton on the 21st, a full day trading the markets live. I'll be there giving you a forensic breakdown on the market. David will be trading the markets live with you, right? It is a paid event. It's incredibly reasonable. They're all different scales to show up at $97, $200, $300, $400 for a full day. There'll be some merch. There'll be some hanging out time with all of us, but it's going to be our first live event, me and David Green, representing Wall Street Global, representing Apex. We'll be giving away some accounts. And so for us, we're really excited. So anybody in the Boca area, please check it out. It's now online. We just sent the first emails out. We're going to be doing some social media promoting of it, but you get a chance to meet me. You get a chance to meet David. David and I will be talking and trading the markets live. You got BK traders who are just awesome. And that's it. October 21 from like 8 in the morning until market closes. Go ahead. You good? My pleasure.
Man, can I take a picture?
Yes. Come on.
Awesome. Thank you, man. For the good luck for both of us.
All good luck.
Thank you.
Cool. So please, everybody, come. We're excited about it. We've never done a live, and we've had a huge demand for it. And so, if there's anything better than David trading the markets live, it's David in person. So it'll blow your mind. We're gonna have a lot of good audio visual equipment. You're gonna be able to have huge screens watching the market trade live with David Green in person. It's unmatched. Then you get to hear me rant and rave. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And then you got Boris and Kathy, who are so bright, talking Forex, talking a lot of economic stuff, talking about Apex, talking about getting qualified on Apex. So it's a full day of everything to do with the market, and it's going to be an in-person event, which is exciting. So please, everybody register. Limited space. Go out and buy your tickets.
Pete, do we have a link yet?
Woo! Within an hour, I will post the link on Wall Street Global Trading Academy's webpage on my Instagram link tree. It will be available. Give me a few hours. I'll make sure we have it.
Boom, chaka-laka-laka.
Let me go. I'm going to reach out to Kathy right now on that.
First time we're doing it. Well, we just had a big bop up in the ESs for some reason. Don't know why, but we didn't do any trades, so let's hang out. All right, guys and girls, my YouTubers. I'm going to do this one more time for everybody. I have 40 people from YouTube, guys and girls, that are in the private trading room right now. So welcome, everybody. Love it. Those of you who still want to come for the rest of this week, okay? This is an incredible opportunity. It does not cost anything. You're going to get fast markets. You're going to get slow markets. You're going to get Tuesday night, Thursday night. We'll walk you through how to open up an account, everything. Boom. I saw that Vish posted 28.25, guys and girls. I missed it, but only went a point against and just paid 3 points. If anyone got the 28.25. I didn't see it, Vish. But nice job. I mean, I saw it, but I was talking, so I couldn't get there. Boom. 2 points. Gorgeous. Boom, ba-boom, 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 ba-boom. All right. I posted my email again, guys and girls. Anyone in YouTube who wants to come switch over and hang out with us for the rest of the week. I'm going to give away some accounts in a couple of minutes for everybody. Let me just see. I think I got a couple more people. Popping them over. Yes. Okay. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. All right. Everybody take a breath. Yes, I am using Think or Swim for my charting. Is it possible to get this chart set up? Man, that's kind of proprietary to what we do, Retro. I will share everything that we do. We have one button in our course, Retro, that sets up all your charts. One button. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. How are you, Jonathan? Yeah, I don't know what that pop was about, but we're going to chill for a couple minutes. Relax. Pump, 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 pump. Yeah, Joey, I'll get you in 1 second. What boom? Oh, the ES is great spot, man. Great spot. Gorgi. Oh, we certainly like a double bottom if we get down there. Wow. Is gold getting a smackdown? Why is dust still going up? Very nice. Anyone buy a little dust with me this morning in the 1080s? Boom chakalaka. You know, you get 25 cents on that. It's a good trade on some of it. Yeah. I mean, you could have bought some size down there. You know, 30 cents is a big move in this thing. Believe it or not. I'll sell half at 11.10. I bought a bunch of this morning. My real account. If you have to do gold, it's better to cancel. What's gold? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got in gold? Double top? We just missed it. Yeah, I got nothing in gold right now. Joshua, you just sent it to me, right? Give me a minute. I'm going to do it right now. Oh, I got Joey. Joshua, send me another one. You might have sent it to the wrong spot. dgreen927@yahoo.com. All right, Joshua, dgreen927@yahoo.com. Unfortunately, guys and girls, we cannot give you our chart setup on Thinkorswim. It is proprietary to us. Have to be part of the family in order for us to give that to you. Please don't get mad at me. But we can't give away everything. Doing the best we can. We just put this out 15 minutes ago. We got like 25 people registered for Boca already. We would do the 200 EMA in the ESs now if we spike down that far. Only because it spiked up 15 points above that. I mean, I guess we just do the double bottom. It's fine. Same thing. 67.18. 67. 16. 67.18. We just went to 31. Yeah, we'll try it. 67.18. This market is all over the place. I don't know what that giant move up was. I'm going to go 67.16 to be conservative. What a short at 27, though, huh? Boom, 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 boom. 16 if we go fast. Gold, dead, no orders. It could be. The hood still going up. Never pulled back for a trend trade. Let's check our RTYs and our MYMs. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Nothing, nothing. Okay. One order out. Good. All right. Does everybody in YouTube have the email if they want it to come into the private trading room for the rest of this week? Speak now or forever hold your peace. We're going to give away some accounts. Then we're switching over to the live trading. Everyone got it? Okay. We're on the ESs now. Harry. Usually maybe the first 5 minutes of the opening, whatever, we will do the MESs. Oh, I gotta get myself organized here. I am a bloody mess. All right, give me a second, guys and girls. Okay, everyone's good. All right, let's give away 10 accounts, guys and girls. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do not get mad at me if you don't get called. Email is if you want to spend the rest of the week in our private trading room. Pignon, we can do that in 5 minutes if you want. But certainly we always, our Thursday night mentorship meetings, we go over trades, we go over any problems that everybody's had. We are live every Thursday night. That comes with any course of ours that you buy. Okay? Want to buy any course? Boom, that's where it's listed. Okay. Let me see. Let me see if I got Jose Joshua in the trading room. Give me 1 minute. See if I got your email, Josh. I got you. I got DG and I got Joshua. Joshua. All right, you're in. Give it 10 seconds. All right, Josh, you should have it now. Bum, bum, bum. You can spend your live trading room with us. Help decide if, yeah, exactly. Yeah, send an email to me. All right, I'll give everyone another minute or two. Get all these emails so everybody can get in. There it is. I'll give you another minute. Don't know if I can. My wife has a doctor problem. 10:20. All right. If you can, Scotty. Let me just tweet out to sell a little dust up here. Give me a minute. Also, guys, anyone who becomes part of our family, okay, going to have the link to the event in 20 minutes. Pete's working on it right now. Give me a minute. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 minute, guys. I'm getting you all. Hold on, guys. Give me a minute. I just got to tweet this out. Guys, also, everybody, anyone who becomes part of our family buys any of our courses, okay? You get our Twitter sphere where I post trades. Okay. I'm up 3,500 for the day, still see some opportunity. If I was up 3,500 for the day, I would be playing golf. I would not be here anymore. I can tell you that right now. I've heard from 30 people in my room that they are done trading for the day. Why would you want to stay here anymore? Go do something else. I don't care if I think I see opportunity or not. Okay, MS, I am sending you the link. Everybody stay with me. Got a bunch more people who want the link. Chill out. Certified visual, I'm sending you the link. What's up, Joey? Okay. Michael, sending you the link. Larry, sending you the link. This is just for this week now, guys and girls, okay? David, sending you the link. Mr. Morales. Okay. Gracia, sending you the link. Jose, sending you the link. All right, everybody take a chill pill and we're going to give away some accounts now. It's fun to play that YMCA. Jose, you're in. Everybody's in. I can tell you this, guys and girls, okay? I could care less if we get another trade or not today. That's how I feel about it. Let's just go over everything, see if we have anything pending that we want to have out there that we must do. What's up, RG? Nah, we're stuck in the middle of you in every single thing. I'm stuck on you. I got a feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't wait. All right, let's put out a double top in the ESs just in case while we're sitting here. Nothing from nothing leaves nothing. 67.36. All right, here we go, guys and girls. 10 accounts. Drum roll, please. I'm giving them out in YouTube. YouTube, Joey. You still in YouTube? Anybody in a private trading room who switched over, go back into YouTube. I will give you guys a couple of minutes. Okay? So you don't miss a chance. All right? Everybody who's in YouTube who came, go back in. Everybody who's in the trading room from YouTube, go back in. Anyone who's in the trading room from YouTube, go back into YouTube so you don't miss your chance. You need to stay in here also. I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay? Relax. Oi, Dame. All right. I got everybody who wanted the link, got the link. Oh, except for Jengish. Give me a minute for Jengish. I am going to post an email one time. And one time only. In YouTube. Everybody write down this email. Do not email me. Laura, I'm getting the link for the event. Okay, hang out in the room. Someone's going to come into my room and post it shortly. Give us a little bit of time. Okay. The link is up, but it's not on our website yet. Okay. Here we go. First account I am giving away is to, if you are here, Mr. Ben's Coop. Ben's Coop. Oh, hold on. Oh, guys. Boom chakalaka. There is the link to the live event. There is the link to the live event. I'm going to copy and paste it into my room, guys and girls. Hold on. I can't copy and paste it. Come on. Got it. Joey got it. There it is. Boom. There is the link to the live event. Okay, link to the live event. Thank you, Andrew. You're the man. Is Ben's Coop here? Ben's Coop, are you here? Okay, cool. Everybody whose name is called, send an email. Write this down. Do not email me.
News, Dave.
News. All right, we don't have anything. I mean, I like what we got. We're fine. WSGTA.com at gmail.com. Everybody write that down. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Everybody who wants a free account, write this down. If your name is called, you are going to send an email to that address, and then you will be sent the free link to the account. Do not email me. Okay? I'm going to give everybody a minute. It's not working. Hold on. Is this working or not? Yeah, here it is, guys and girls. That's the link. Check it out. There it is. Register now. Meet the experts. Starting at 8 o'clock. Going to 12:30. There's all different kinds of tickets. $97 just gives you access into the event. This package, and again, you do not have to buy this package, okay? This is my course, Boris's course, lifetime mentorship, free trading accounts, boot camp. All are different courses for $900. Boom. So it's up. There's the link. We're already getting an unbelievable response. Oh, shit. Where's my YouTubers? Did I lose my YouTubers? Son of a bitch. I lost my YouTubers. Can they hear me in YouTube? I don't see it now. I gotta, yeah, I lost it on my screen though. I don't have names. Where is it? I know they can hear me, but I can't see the names. Can you send me that link, Scotty? Let me go. I think I can get back in if I just have the link. I don't have any names. Let's see if I can get back in. Yeah, I'm here. Perfect. All right, guys, you hear me? Boom, chakalaka laka. All right, we're here. No, you can't hear me. All right, let's go. We gave away one account. We're giving away 9 more. Here we go. The next winner is Rachel Wavini. Rachel Wavini. You are our second winner. Send an email. Boom, chakalaka laka. All right. Where is my end? How do I end this? I don't know how to end it. Our third winner is, you guys know I like to look for unusual names. The next winner is going to be Vincent Njenga. Vincent Njenga, are you here? Vincent Njenga. Are you here, Vincent? Vincent Njenga going once. Vincent Njenga going twice. Bye-bye, Vincent. Our next winner is K-Pro. Are you here, K-Pro? Winner number 3, K-Pro. All right, send an email. Boom, chakalaka laka. Our next winner is going to be Henrietta Lewing. Are you here, Henrietta? Henrietta, send an email. I got you. Okay, our fifth winner is going to be Ziza Dodo. Ziza Dodo, are you here? Send an email. Our next winner is going to be. Don't blow the accounts. Ziza Dodo, you're a winner. Next winner is going to be KD. KD Lang, are you here? KD, send an email. Our next winner is going to be whatever at this point. Whatever at this point is our next winner. Are you here? Whatever at this point. Boom, chakalaka. Our next winner is going to be Dr. Trader 13. Are you here, Dr. Trader 13? Dr. Trader 13, are you here? Boom, you're a winner. Two more. And guys, we do this every Monday and Friday. Also, guys, come into the trading room if you want for the rest of the week. And our next winner is going to be Imperfect Crime. Imperfect Crime, are you here? Boom. Our last winner for today, okay, for today is going to be KT and the Sunshine Band. KT and the Sunshine Band, are you here? KT. KT, are you here? KT. KT going once. KT going twice. KT going 3 times. Our last winner is going to be Sylvia Varasi. Sylvia Varasi. Yes, it would help if you guys change your name to something cool. Sylvia is here. Excellent. Guys, again, we'll give away 10 more on Friday. About 50 of you are coming over to our private trading room. Okay. I'll post that one more time for everybody. If you want to come spend the day, rest of the week. We posted the link for our Boca event. Boom, chakalaka laka. Guys, come and hang out in the room for the rest of the week, okay? More importantly than any of this stuff, give me some ones, guys and girls. If everybody, first of all, if anyone made a couple of bucks who hung out with us, give us some ones. Okay. Give me some ones if everyone made a couple of bucks, because that's the most important thing. Give me some twos if everybody, forget about making money, if they learned a little something that's going to help them in their trading journey for the rest of the week and the rest of your life. Made 400. Beautiful. Excellent. All right. Beautiful, guys and girls. All right, my YouTubers, we will see you all on Friday and a bunch of you over in the trading room. Now, let me see if I can learn how to log out of this. Do I know how to log out of this? I have no idea. Otherwise, you guys are going to hear me all day. Scotty, help me. How do I shut this down? Or you're going to hear me and see me all day. Where is it? I don't know. I know if I just shut down, you guys are still going to be here. This X, let's see. Nope. That ain't doing shite. Did that get rid of it? Nope. YouTube Studio has to close it. How the hell do I do that? Let's see. Home. Live. That's something else. All right, hold on. Oh, you guys get to hang out for a few more minutes. I gotta ask my guy. What is this? I just reached out to Rowan and reached out. He's gonna fill out that you need to send over to me. Paperwork for what? Already done. Roman, can't shut YouTube. Lol. Yeah, I don't know. We're all good. It's fine. He'll tell me in a minute. There's nothing going on now anyway. This market is completely dead and probably will be for the rest of the day. Look, nothing is moving now. We had our hour of trading. We're just sitting here doing nothing. In every single thing. These guys are going crazy. What trades do you take this morning, Harry? I don't know. We had 3 guys in the room. What we have, 2 or 3 trades? I don't remember. Harry, I don't remember what I had for breakfast. Oh, that I do. Nothing. Why in YouTube is it closed captioning everything I say? That's weird. Come on, David. You got to be able to figure out how to close this. What the hell is wrong with you? Bum, 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 bum. Welcome to live. Yes. Okay. That doesn't help me. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Breaking out of the orb again. Yank the power cable, then I'll lose everybody. Guys, I got some more requests from my YouTubers. I will do that. Roman's going to take care of that, okay? It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Oh, that's right. I know how to do it. It's in my Zoom. The end live stream, right? Yes. More. Where is it? Zoom. Oh, I gotta stop my share first. Boom. Then I gotta go to more. Then I gotta go